Tony, when you guys actually launch your new products from Ceratizit Group, it's absolutely fantastic, but I can't believe that SilverLine has been your best-selling end mill carbide product for over 10 years, but you've improved it in such a vast way. Could you explain to us a little bit about that journey?
Yes, Mark, as you say, SilverLine as our solid carbide product has been the go-to product for our customers and our engineers for over 10 years now. Our latest enhancements and improvements on that have been really significant. The tests we've done here on titanium and stainless steel have shown over 60% improvement in tool life, metal removal, and on steel over 50%. So it is really significant improvement.
Now, reading your new catalogue, I'm seeing that you're using the dragon skin coating. Is that the benefit of why it's that much better now?
It's part of it. Dragon skin coating on this new SilverLine range, which is unique to ourselves, is a big part of it, but we've also enhanced and strengthened the core of the tool, which has allowed us to get more clearance on the flutes and optimize the chip clearance. So there's a few things coming together there that have really moved it on a big step forward.
So when you look at the new SilverLine product, when you talk about the stock and the availability of different tools, what can you offer?
These tools, Mark, are ex-stock, can be ordered until 6:30 p.m. at night, guaranteed before 12 noon next day delivery. The range itself has been extended, so we've now increased the number of types available of different applications. Also, the number of radii available has been extended, especially for the aerospace sector, and also HA shanks for shrink fit and hydraulic chucks.
I'm going to put you on a spot a bit here, Tony. When you talk about those big percentages, what you're getting out of the tool now, has the cost risen on the tooling to the same sort of level?
No, it hasn't. If anything, Mark, it's slightly reduced. I don't know about across the board, but generally the price is slightly lower than it was on the previous range. So it's even more cost effective for customers.
And when you look at your distribution hub in Germany, Kempten, is a lot of this in stock ready to go to the UK?
Yeah, it's all in stock now across the entire range. 6:30 p.m. order the tools, guaranteed before noon next day delivery.
And any engineers looking at this thinking, well, I want a piece of this and I want to have a look at a demo, or maybe talk to one of your technical guys, what's the best way to get in touch with you?
The best way, as always, is with a local technical sales engineer. As you say, Mark, this is our best-selling solid carbide tool, and there are significant improvements for customers to gain. So all I would say to customers, if they're using SilverLine today, which there are many of them, get in touch with a local technical sales engineer and test the new product. You'll find some significant improvements and savings.